Hello, you're with Libby from libbystamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and today I'm bringing you another in my series of videos on the Brusho Crystal Colour from Stampin' Up. Now the Brushos come in a little box like this and you can store them in there. And as I said in my previous video, I've just put a push pin in the top, and that's all I've decided that I need. It's a big enough hole. Just a warning that if you actually open these, the crystals can fly everywhere, but by all means give that a try if that's something you want to do. Just be warned about the crystals flying in different directions. So today's technique is putting the powder on first and then spritzing to see what effect we can get. And I've used another of the stamps from Happy Wishes, which is a sale-a-bration product that you can get once you spend $180. So it's level 2 sale-a-bration project. Beautiful, beautiful stamp set with, oops, wrong one. This is Happy Wishes. All right, so you get, it's a set of 2. And if you spend $180 from any of the current catalogues or the clearance rack, you can choose this out of the sale-a-bration brochure as level 2 reward. So today we're using the word best, and I have stamped it in Versamark, and then today just for something different, I've clear embossed this one, and I quite like the effect. And this one I've sprinkled the powder on first, and then we're going to spritz it with water. So the colours I've used here are yellow, the gamboge and the Prussian blues. So we'll use some different colours today. So I'm just going to come in with, maybe let's try the moss green, and all you do is you sprinkle a bit on, not too much. Alright, so there's the moss green on there, and when my fingers can pick up this push pin, just pop it back in there, and we might try some brilliant red. I find just a couple of colours is best. If you add more than 2 colours, I find it gets a bit muddy, and I'm not into muddy, so it's just the effect I'm after. Alright, and then I bring my Stampin' Spritzer in, and I just spritz the watercolor paper, just like that. Now, these products are all available in my online store, so just make sure you shop for them from me. There we are, we've got lots going on there. And they're available from the 3rd of January, and for every $90 you spend, you can choose a free sale-a-bration product. Now I'm just coming in with some paper towel, and I'm just going to pop that on the top, either side of the watercolor paper, just to mop up that excess. Now I'm not pressing around the edges, I'm on the outside of that cardstock, and there we go. I don't think that's quite as good as the Prussian blues, so what I might do is come in with a bit more moss green. I'm actually going to use my aqua painter, and I'm going to, because this is a water-based product, you can reactivate the crystals anytime, anywhere. So if you're sending it in a card and you need to make sure it doesn't get damaged, I'd put it in a little plastic bag. So I'm just going to come in back in with my aqua painter and make sure I've got water in it, and around the best like that, because it's not showing up. That's the advantage of this product. You can come in and add extra colour. So it was the red we used, wasn't it? So I might come in with the red and just add a bit more on the sentiment. Just like that. And give it a squirt. Let's see how we go. Don't want to get it too close. Alright, that's looking better, isn't it? Come back in with my paper towel. Just mop up a bit of that excess. So this is a wonderful product, and as I said, you can use it for almost anything, and it is water activated. So if you're worried about it at all, you might want to spray it with some fixative, but I haven't found that's necessary. I will make these into cards, and I'm just going to polish up that best and see how we go. I still think the other one worked out better. So there's our two for technique 2. All right, thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.
Creation, imagination, try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside your mind.